In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Drive to Claude AI. This is a simple way to access, analyze, and work with your files using AI. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll go to the Settings or Integrations section inside Claude. Now I'll look for an option to connect external storage, such as Google Drive. For example, I might click Connect Google Drive, or a similar integration option. After that, I'll sign into my Google account and grant the necessary permissions. Claude will then connect to Google Drive, allowing it to access my files and documents. If I want to use it, I can type a prompt like, "Summarize this document from my drive," or "Find files related to marketing." Claude can also help analyze documents, extract key information, or organize files. If needed, I can manage access or disconnect Google Drive anytime from the settings. And that's it. I've successfully connected Google Drive to Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.